Hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I'm going to be organizing my mini washi, mini vintage washi tape collection. So I thought this would be fun for those that like vintage, like washi tape, or that like organizing art supplies. I got this one for Christmas. My husband bought this for me. And I have some here. And I'll try to remember where I got these from. But just to show it for fun. So let me see. I don't want to shake the table. I had made a video a couple of weeks ago, but I lost the footage. I was trying to make a video about organizing vintage art supplies, and it got a little bit overwhelming, so I just stuck with the washi tape. But I lost that footage. I don't know what happened. I think maybe I deleted it. Thinking like I didn't like it or something, but whatever, right? I don't quite remember. But what I was looking for was another washi tape that I had in order to keep the ones that are opened taped up. You see how I did this? Maybe I could use some of the other one. I really don't want to use any from the washi tape itself to hold it, but this one wasn't a vintage one. This was just a regular one. Let me see if I can find it. I think I know where it's at. I don't want to use regular tape because regular tape is not repositional. Hold on. Oh, I found it. Yep. So regular tape is not repositional, so I would create a problem if I tried to use it. So this cute little box, my daughter gave me this box, I believe, a couple of Christmases ago. So I'll hold up the washi tape and share where I believe I got it from. Some of them I do remember, some of them I don't. Or maybe I do remember, just don't. I'm not sure. So anyway, so right here, let me share this one first, these first. As you can see, these have a backing on it. These are from Tim Holtz. These are actually, this is actually fabric tape. You can use it like washi tape, but it's called fabric tape. And you can see it was some type of ledger copied and put on this, like, listen, fabric material. So there's this one. I'll put it to the side. And here is one. Here's another one. I really like this one. It's a little bit darker than that one. But so what I'm doing is peeling this. I have an extensive washi tape collection, but these are the vintage washi tapes that I have. So, and just like that, because it doesn't stick to itself, again, because it has a paper backing. So here's this one. This is like these are tickets. So far, fabric. Right, and then there are these. Okay, so these are, it's like I have 3 florals. Well, no. I thought it was 3 florals. It's not. Okay, so put this with this one. So, and that's how this one looks. It's pretty. Then we have this. Maybe I should have did this, right? You see the paper on the back? I like the washi tape that has the paper on the back. I got some washi tape from the Washi shop. I'll show that. And they have a tendency to have paper backing. Okay, so and here are some more tickets. It's like this one, but just smaller. But larger. This is small. This is large. This is wider than this one. Okay, so I think those are all the fabric ones. Yes. And so again, and it's 2, 3, I have 6. These are Tim Holtz. You can find this on Amazon, but they also sell them like in... Okay, so the phone cut off because I didn't have enough storage. I had went through the whole thing, and now, so I did it cut off when I did the Tim Holtz washi tape. So now I'm doing it's called Washi Tape Shop. And I'm not going to pull it all out because it's just too much. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Okay. So let me see if I could just go ahead and do a little something. Okay. Hold on 1 second. Because even now, the house got a little bit noisier. I feel bad to tell my niece not to play because she was waiting that whole time. This got stuck on there. Hold on. I'm going to ask her to lower down just a little bit. You might just have to hear it in the background because... Oh, boy. All right. Let me put this back. You see how these peel off? These peel off. This is cute. I don't want to waste that. I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to put it right back on here like so. And be careful where I put this thing. Okay. And so, here we go. I'm going to put this here. But this is what it looks like. These little things can peel off. They're like stickers. It's not like a whole long piece of washi tape. It's, you can peel those little pieces, those little pictures off. Okay, so that's with that. Here is some washi tape. It has the backing on it, as you can see. And it's words. It's script font. That's by the Washi Tape Shop. I said I wasn't going to open this all the way back up, but I mean, like, what's the use of showing it? I'm not going to show it, so. Okay, and then we have this one right here, which is also some font. Look at that. That's cool. Let's print. And then we have this right here. This is font. This is really nice. It has different flowers and how they use in medicine. Lavandula, peony. So I think this is cool. I really like this one. Again, Washi Tape Shop. This is also from Washi Tape Shop. It's florals and plants. Washi Tape Shop. Very vintage looking. This is a little bit vintage modern. What else? From Washi Tape Shop. That is small. So I can, okay. So I'll just go into now this type of Washi Tape Shop. These are florals. It has a backing. These can be used to decorate charms and stuff if you're making resin, you know, charms or coasters. Okay. And so now we have these two, which I really, really like.
Guess what? I can do this.
Okay. Can you just lower it a little bit, please? Thank you. So here we go. This is some more from Washi Tape Shop. What I like about these is you can cut these out. You can cut these out. Or you can use it as a strip if you want.
Twist your arm and then let it fly into the air. And then
Can you just lower it just a little bit? I'll be finished the video shortly. Sorry, it just cut off on me, so I have to do a quick video. I'll be finished shortly. So here we go. Here's another one. But it's the same as the other one, but it's transparent. I've used some of these already. And here we go. I'm going to show you these right here. These are from Amazon. They usually call it wallpaper. I think it's because it's so long, but I cut these out and use them. But these are fun too. Okay. And here are some, one right here. Hold on. That you can cut out or use as a long strip. I've used this in a vintage art journal that was making a lot of the washi tape. I would cut pieces out because I wanted to really like display the washi. And then I might make another book like that. The other one is packed away somewhere where I know I can't readily get to it. And here are these. I'm trying not to be so chatty. So my niece could resume playing because she was quiet for a long time while I made this video. But I didn't know it cut off on me. So I'm going to speed it up a bit. And here's another one right here. These I got from Amazon. These are from Amazon. Again, ledgers. It has a backing. And I'm going to go. I don't think I'm going to pull out the other ones, the new ones. But I'm going to put these back. I have some other little ones here that you can see here. This is like a map. And I'm going to pull from the ones that my husband just recently got me. These are maps. So these are from Amazon. I'll hold it up so you can see it. I really like this one. This one and this one with a pop of yellow. And I really like this one too. It's cute. And the one that has like a postal stamp on there. And this one right here says postcard. It's cute. And so in here are some that I got from, I believe I got these two from Amazon. These, here you have horizontal script. And here you have vertical script. Yeah. And so I'm going to put those back here. And here are some other ones, but these are so tiny you can't really see what is on there. But it just has that vintage color, that brown color. And here are some other ones. This one has some musical notes, some words, and some coffee stuff. Coffee images. And like stamps, but with the coffee image. So that's this collection. It was much longer when I went through it the first time. But as you know, when that happens, it's like the second time around. It's not that it's boring or anything, but I spent so much time doing the other one, and it's not fair to everyone in the house to have to be quiet now again while I do this over. But I think you can see the gist of it in this Amazon Washi Tape Shop. The fabric ones are Tim Holtz. if you're interested in that. I'm going to put these on top. So I think this is a nice little stash here. It's not overwhelming because I do have a vast washi tape collection. It's just that it's packed up elsewhere, and so right now I'm working with this, and it's like, this is just a vintage one. The other washi tape, I would not even do, I don't think I would do a organization video on that unless I had a system. But for now, this will work. Let's see if I could get this turned around like this and get something else in between there. Maybe this one. Yes, that'll work. And this can go here. Move this here. I'll put this here. There, where is the other one that looks like a map? It's right here. There we go. And then this can go here, here. I think this is good here. And here we got this one, this floral one, and, you know, this font, script font. I'll put it like that. So that's the washi tape collection. I pray that you enjoyed vintage washi tape collection. I pray that you enjoyed it. Again, Tim Holtz, Washi Tape Shop, and Amazon. And some from like Hobby Lobby and Michael's. These little ones in the corner here. I believe they came in little kits from like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, those type of stores. So yeah, and this, I could look in here, see what's there, and grab it easily. It's not overwhelming. Okay, with that being said, thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Later.